we're out here at Mid Michigan Motorplex. It is Memorial Day weekend. We're on day 2. We finally got some time with the dragster. Struggled a little bit yesterday. I was 1 red second round. The last time we were out, it was rainy and we were kind of struggling a little bit. We had a lifter problem that we were battling. Put everything back together, made sure the cam was all set up, really ready to go and whatnot. So we get out, I went to check the timing. The timing was only reading 20 degrees. Took my adjustment here on the crank trigger, and I just, instead of taking everything off the front end of the motor right before time trials, I ended up just tried to move it as far as I could. So we're down a couple degrees on timing, and it's actually running pretty good. Almost ready to get things fired up here. They're running modified right now. We're gonna get the car warmed up and get things underway. Alright guys, we got lucky on round 1. Ended up going up and missing the tree just a little bit. Ended up being 28 ball. My guy next to me was 3 thou red, so we got away with 1. We're dialed in pretty good. I was holding about 5 thou there, so not bad. We're gonna come up for round 3 here, round 2. What the heck? They're running round 2 of modified right now. Nick's up. I don't think he's gone down the track yet, but hopefully he gets by round 2 and we can keep on going. Sleep one of these. Maybe both of them. Oh well, I don't know if they're saving these. You know if they're saving these? I don't know. Alright, so it's a little mid-race snack and drink. Somebody hit the wall. Off a little mess. What do you think the traction will start coming around a little bit? We got by round 2. Had a little bit of a better reaction time than our opponent. I was 12, or no, I'm sorry, I was 18 to his, what was he? His 25. Man, I thought I was holding a little bit. I guess I really wasn't. Looks like that was going on a low dead on. Got down there, ripped him a handful of times, and took him through by 12. So not a bad run. Nick's back up for round 3, I think. He bought back in for round 3. So we're waiting on him going down, and he'll be getting called up here shortly, and see if we can do it again. I just got back from running round 3. I think that was round 3. Yep, round 3. Wasn't pretty. Wasn't pretty. We're getting lucky right now. Man, I'm not having that confidence letting go of the button. If I'm setting the delay up, I'm not having that confidence letting go on the button. So I think I'm letting go slower, and it's killing my reaction time. So I got to be confident with what I'm setting up, and then maybe we can start getting some better reaction times, because I know with what I'm having it set up at right now, I know we'll be in the low teens, upper double O's, and that was a 32. So we'll see. She went red, went 9 red. The car picked up a bunch. So on to round 4, right?
Absolutely.
That's right. On to round 4.
Round 4.
Round 4.
Professional film team right here on site 24/7.
So much.
No flash photography.
On site 24/7.
If you like this video, let us know. Please consider hitting the like button, click subscribe, and turn on those bell notifications. Info about our merch is coming soon. Follow us on Facebook at GOONco TV so you don't miss out.